Hi guys, it's me Jimmy Geek. So basically today I'm going to do a review for the 3DS cover. You just guess how much this cover can cost me. Just guess. This cover only cost me basically 2.5 bucks, basically $2.50. Basically this cover cost me. You'll be thinking I'm kidding. I'm really not. This cover really cost me 2.5 bucks. You'd be thinking, so gee, why the hell I did have bought some kind of $20 cover? Why the hell I need a $20 cover? I go for a thing which is in good quality and then basically give me good value for money. It's basically for a 3DS, for the original 3DS. So basically let's get the review started. Basically let's start the unboxing. It has some kind of Snoopy, I don't know what. It has a Mamu dog, you can read from it. And then at the end of day, it has some kind of stupid aluminium. And then let's find out what the stupid kind of aluminium hook inside. There's an aluminium hook, lightweight aluminium hook. Let's see which aluminium hook. Oh my god, is this a aluminium hook? Basically this cover is made in China. I don't know what kind of stupid people are designing this kind of graphic or the promotion or the publicity material, whatever the hell you wanna call. This is not an aluminium hook, this is a Caribbean clip aluminium hook. Anyways, so first let me see what is the use of this aluminium hook. Oh yeah, there's a basically small hole where you can clip your aluminium hook and then you can basically clip on your bag, on your belt, on your pant. Even there is a belt holder in the back. And then let me review from inside. Yeah, you can put your 3DS here. Here you will put your 3DS game. I think you can put at least, if I put some kind of game case, I mean the 3DS game cartridge case, which can have 6, I think I can put 6 to 12. I'm not sure, I need to check it out. Let's put that 3DS here. This is 3DS original. And then let's get it. Yeah, I already put it inside. Let's get this one. And then there's a lot of space to put your games inside. Yes, solid, rugged. I mean, for 2.5 bucks, what the hell you can play? If you want some better quality, you can go with the Huri. I think that covers even made in China, but a company, Japanese company, costs 6 and 7 bucks. Even I use a lot of Huri cover for my PS Vita and my DSi back in 3 or 4 years back. I love their cover, but I just get this cover for 2.5 bucks. What the hell? Like in play, you will thinking that you should always get a good quality cover. Yeah, you should always get a good quality cover, but why the hell spend more money if you can get a bypass that kind of bucks and then you can get a pass it quality which basically will last you, I mean, for a year. No complaint. Basically after I discover it will be so dirty, I need to basically dump and get a new one. So no complaint. 2.5 bucks solid. I will try to find a link from Amazon or eBay and then link it if I can. Basically I do not think this cover is selling on eBay or Amazon. If I can, just check the description box below. Basically even on the site it says protect your 3DS from scratches. I agree with you. And then secondly, you can even put your 3DS in some kind of shell if you want. You can put in an aluminium case or whatever, and then you can put inside. It have enough space that it can easily fit inside. So basically, yeah, for 2.5 bucks, yeah, strongly recommend, and never ever spend more money. At the end of the day, you will get the same quality if I go with a $10 bucks or $20 cover. Basically, I don't think that a $20 cover basically will speak to me. The same, basically I will put my 3DS and then that's all I will just use to protect my 3DS. That's all I will say. Yeah, awesome cover. Subscribe to my channel. It's me, Jimmy Geek. You can hate me, just hate me. You can like me, just like me. But you cannot ignore me. It's me, Jimmy Geek. Bye bye.